Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can disable Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11. So from your desktop page here, you want to go to the search bar down here. And on the search bar down here, you want to search for settings. Now on settings, just click on this gear icon here, click on it. Now from here, you just want to go to system. On system, you want to scroll down and then you want to find an option called system components. So this is the one, system components, right? Just click on it. Now from here, you'll see that there's 7 system components found for my PC, and one of them is the Xbox Game Bar down here, right? You just have to click on these 3 dots here on more options. Now just click on advanced options. On advanced options, you want to go to the background component permissions. Now from here, you have to click on this drop-down menu and then you want to pick on never. Now, once you pick on never here, this component will always be off and you have disabled your Xbox Game Bar. If you liked this video, please consider liking and subscribing.